All right, kiddos, good morning. We're going to go ahead and try to catch up on some Inventor assignments, particularly our basic assembly constraints, which is assignment 1.2.5. Now, if you didn't have a chance to start this project, this assignment rather, which I do have videos for on YouTube, as I'm showing you here, we're going to go ahead and show you a quick way to kind of catch up. Because the first part is you have to create, which you can kind of see from our video here. This kind of looks like our orthographic blocks that we used within our 1.4 sketching and dimension unit. And I created those pieces for you already. I'm going to show you how to quickly copy them into your own directory. So this is done for a student already. So that student gets the luck out. What you will do is you will find our student share, which is our N drive. And when you click on student share, you will find my name, Mr. Clausen. And then as you go through, you'll find STEM. And then we will find this tools of engineering. And as we're there, we will find these files. And what you could also do is you go ahead and click. One's the top one. You could click on the bottom one. It highlights all of them. Make sure you got all of them highlighted. And you could right click on them and you want to copy all of those. So now that those are copied, we could go into your directory. So here's our lucky student. And we could go into STEM or DM or Inventor, whatever you called your org. And then you could then paste those documents. So now that those parts are already there for you, when you go to Inventor, you're able to go ahead, and this is where essentially you're going to pick up on our basic assembly constraints part 2. And I added the video link right here to the assignment as well. So that way you could just go right to this part, and that's where you'll be picking up, which you'll be choosing your assembly file, which is a new thing. Okay, so assembly file is in there. And then you'll have a chance to go ahead and choose those parts that you had, which is under place. And then you could go ahead and there are all those files that we went ahead and created. All right, so I'll leave you there. And again, if you just watched this video at the very end and you're saying, what do I do for the assembly? Don't forget, there is a video, Basic Assembly Constraints Part 2. This is pretty much where I'm leaving you off about how to put those in that assembly file and then how to move them around. All right, have a good day.